Hello, secondary teachers. In this video, I am going to give you an overview of GALE Database. It is an extensive digital library that includes primary source documents, eBooks, articles, and much more. It even includes 3D interactive models that can be used to engage students in learning. So whether students are doing research or you are looking for standards-based quality content to use in your subject area, GALE is a great place to start. So let's begin. As you can see, I am logged into ClassLink and I am going to tap the GALE New URL app. I'm then going to tap Sign in with ClassLink. And that lands me on this page. Today I'm going to focus on GALE in high school, GALE in Context High School. I'm going to open that. And as you can see, there are topics of interest featured in the center of the page. If you scroll down, you may browse topics by category, or you may go to the top white ribbon and tap Browse Topics for a more granular search. However, I would recommend that students simply tap in the search area and search for their topic using the keyword. So I'm searching for honeybees, and as you can see, I have a lot of results. I can filter by document type, subjects, content level, even the lexile measure, publication date. But I want to make certain I'm always going to have full text documents included when I do my searches. That way the entire article will be included. I'm going to remove this filter by tapping the X, and then I'm going to filter a different way by tapping Advanced Search. And when I go into Advanced Search, I'm going to paste honeybees, and I want to know if they are becoming endangered and how they are affecting our agriculture. So I'm going to add some more key terms here, and you can add more rows if you'd like, but I'm going to go ahead and search. This narrowed my searches considerably again. I know I want to take a look at a magazine article because I am looking for Save the Bees. I can see the author's name, the source, date, even the number of words, article, even the lexile. If you're interested in lexile, these are the levels here. You may pause and look at those, but I'm going to go ahead and go back to the previous tab and open that article. Once I open the article, you can see a number of things here. If a student is doing research, they will need to annotate, pick out the main idea, variety of different activities. So they may take notes on their research and save it directly to Google Drive, OneDrive. So let's say a student is doing research and they come across a definition for which they do not know the meaning. And they can simply double tap that word, then tap Define, and you'll see the definition below. While they're here, they may also take any necessary notes and save. I'm going to highlight some more text here by selecting, clicking and dragging, highlight, and save. If you wanted to delete a highlight, you would simply tap again on the save area and hit delete. But I'm going to highlight that section once again so that we can see that it saves to Google Drive or OneDrive. But in this example, I'm going to save to Google Drive. You may be asked to log in. I'm going to tap OK. Then I'm going to go back to ClassLink and navigate to Google Drive. It should be the most recent document. And as you will see, once I open it, all annotations have been saved. To access these materials later, know that they are stored in a folder entitled GALE in Context High School or Junior High School if that's your grade level. But there will be a GALE folder generated for those materials. Notice in the top area, you have some more tools here. You may highlight, see all of the highlights that you've taken in GALE. get a link to them, but more importantly, students may also cite their sources. We do not want them to worry about plagiarism, and I know that some may disagree with having the formatting here, but these options are available in GALE, and these can also be sent directly to Google Drive or OneDrive. Before moving on, I would like to mention accessibility and making this information available to all students. You may also increase or decrease font size. You may also have text read aloud by tapping here. And you may also tap the translate icon, select a language. In this example, I will choose Spanish. Complete translation so that these tools will appear, and you can save this with your annotations if necessary. I am going to revert back to English to demonstrate another feature for those who have reading challenges or who have dyslexia. If you tap the volume icon, you may go into the settings and turn on enhanced text visibility. Going to go in, turn it on, close, and watch what happens when I select the play button. It makes the text easily readable and accessible at the top of the screen. It's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and restore default and close. By the way, in case you were wondering, the read aloud does work in different languages as well. Last but not least, we're going to take a look at the GALE Interactive Science component. As you can see, there are different subject areas with 3D models that are interactive. I'm going to tap on Human Anatomy, and then I'm going to search for the human heart. And heart. As you can see, the content has been aligned to standards. And once it loads, you may zoom in and out. Let me go ahead and maximize the screen. You may also hover over different parts of the heart to discover what they are. I'm going to go ahead and exit full screen. You can advance through slides. And once you get to the end, there is a quiz. I'm going to get this one incorrect, and then this one correct. I may then restart the activity. If you right-click on the 3D model, you may rotate it to describe it to students. These activities also integrate with Google Classroom. Tap the icon and follow prompts to assign to students. Lastly, I'd like to show you where to find resources. So I'm going to go back to the GALE in Context High School page and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And notice curriculum standards here, as well as educator resources. Okay, I hope you have found this overview to be helpful, and I hope you are looking forward to integrating GALE into your lessons to make them more engaging for you and your students. Thank you.